Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows can't be installed on this disk. So to resolve this issue, firstly stop installation and turn on your PC or laptop. Firstly click on start, then type cmd. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now in here type disk part and press enter. Now type list disk. Now type select disk. In my case it's 0. You type your disk number and hit enter. Now type convert MBR. So convert space MBR and press enter. Now turn off your PC or laptop and try again installation. Hopefully guys, using these simple steps we can fix and resolve on this problem. Thanks for watching.